This must come really as a surprise to my subscribers. But I will continue my life as a transgender woman. Because this is first video, a lot of things will be a bit awkward, I think, because of the appearance, because of my noise. On top of that, actually I still have a congested nose, so my voice is still a bit nasal. It should get better upcoming days, so that is that as well. But other than that, there is not really any change at all, because of the same me. You may ask why I'm making this video. I was really thinking of just presenting as a female in my next video. But then I realized it will create more confusion and fuss, hence I decided to make this video as an official come out video on YouTube so that people understand what just happened. Not that they need a description to what just happened, but it could be nice to have a reference video. That being said, this is not a motivational video, or I'm not going to try to make a big motivational speech out of it. I'm just a producer and a content creator, and it happened to be that I'm also a transgender woman. Simply put, I just want to live my life the way I feel it and the way I really am. Nothing really deeper than that. I know some people on the internet just gets triggered when they see a transgender woman. Only thing that I can tell to them is that you can use your time for more value-added things, and I'm sure that will make you a happier person. However, I know my community and you have been extremely supportive always, and I really can't thank you enough helping me creating this safe space for people who wants to learn electronic music production and to make the world a bit more musical place. So what will happen going forward? I will just do what I do best. Keep producing music and making these tutorial videos that I do on YouTube. So in the end, all I want to say is you are just amazing. And thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I promise I will see you in the next production video.